Well, you guys, I have to video this because it's pretty unique. It's not every day you see a 72-inch toolbox getting moved with the big 120. So here's how it's done. I'm gonna try and hold you guys in between my knees, so it's gonna be kind of tough, but here goes. Ooh, we have liftoff, guys. Okay, now here's the tricky part. We gotta thread the needle. Okay, whoa, she's leaning a little too far down. Okay, we need to hurry up. Okay. Okay, let's go a teeny bit lower. That way we don't hit the hook. Almost there. That's it. Let's go a little bit further. Okay, there we go. Okay. Whew. Threading the needle, guys. Threading the needle. Alright, let's pop these straps loose. Yes, I got Crocs on, guys. It's just got a roll in comfort. Got to roll in comfort. Okay, there's that one. Now the toolbox got a few battle scars on it. Come on. Can't do this one-handed. I'm gonna set you guys down for a split sec. Okay, great. Here, you want to finish videoing me? I just need to pull the excavator out.
Hey, Mason. Mason.
because I have to move all the stuff. I got to move all that stuff and put it on top and then move it back before we're ready to move that one. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in and watching this crazy move. Don't forget to pound that like button, pound that subscribe button. We'll be doing a Connex tour soon enough, don't worry. We just want to get it set up a little bit better. Obviously the lighting issue is kind of an issue right now, so anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one.